Bat Yam is a satellite city and is part of the Greater Tel Aviv, Israel. We start walking around Bat Yam, a popular tourist resort located on the Mediterranean coast of Israel, which is part of Greater Tel Aviv. Our WebTV. The camera filmed the everyday life of the townspeople. A typical noon on January 10, 2023. Air temperature plus 18 degrees. Enjoy watching. Walking tour of fabulous and beautiful Oslo, Norway. Oslo, major European city. The city has long and firmly established the status of the most prosperous cities in the world. During the winter months, locals hardly face such a thing as cold, since the average temperature for a Norwegian January is -3 degrees Celsius. Hungary is famous for its capital, Budapest. Let's take a walk around the city of January. Budapest is the capital of Hungary and one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. With a rich historical, architectural and cultural heritage. This is the largest city in the country, which is often called the Paris of the East and the Pearl of the Danube. Budapest is full of magnificent sights and monuments, museums and theaters. Thank you very much for continuing to watch the WebTV channel. Subscribe and expect new videos. Walking around New York on January 12th, downtown Manhattan. Manhattan is one of the largest administrative districts in New York. The architectural breakdown into quarters is very clearly visible through flat, straight streets. Once in New York and having only a few days, you should not look for sights throughout the city. All the symbols of the capital of the world, as in a piggy bank, are collected in Manhattan. Best street food in Bangkok, Old City Market Saturday morning January 2023. Let's discover the best street food in Bangkok. The perfect time to visit is when the Old Town Market is crowded with locals and tourists looking to indulge in delicious and memorable street food. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to experience Bangkok in January 2023. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the WebTV channel and expect new videos.